Hey guys, what's up? Jessica Cavesi here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about an amazing, inexpensive light you can use for your photography. The best part is it only costs $20. And then obviously the tax, and then the social security, and then breathing tax, and then the tax to fix the streets. So let's not hokey pokey around. And I don't know why I said that, but it sounded really cool in text message. Verbally, it does not sound as great. And I actually found this light because my friend had just started doing food photography. I was looking up some lighting for her so that she can use it for her food photography, and I stumbled upon a video in which the photographer used a work light, and I'm gonna link the video below, the exact video that I saw. I sent it to my friend and I didn't really think much of it until I was forced to go to Home Depot with my sister to go get dirt for the grass, to get mud, potting, soil. So we were getting soil. I'm never going back there again. I saw plumbing, I saw a toilet handle, and at that moment I knew I shouldn't have come. I was walking around and I just so happened to bump into the same light, the halogen light. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take this as a sign. So I set up a photo shoot so I can try it out and see how it would work with an actual model. So this is the exact light. It's the HDX portable halogen work light, and I'm literally just reading the side of it because I can't memorize all of that. It's 250 watts. I believe there was one that was 500 watts, but I didn't want to burn my entire garage down, so I got this. Yeah. Let me show you guys the actual light. Here it is. It's really small, portable. It has a nice grip on it. The small cord was a little bit of an issue for me. You may need an extension cord because this literally won't reach anywhere. I'm going to be talking a little bit about this. I'm going to show you guys some example images of the photo shoots that I did with this light. So let's just cut into it. So it is only $20. It's pretty inexpensive. So if you don't want to commit to a big light setup, or you're just not sure, or you just want to practice, this would be a great light to start with. It's like you don't have to marry anything yet. You're kind of just testing the waters to see if it's gonna work out, but you're not sure. It could go wrong, but it's like, it's only $20, so it's fine. You can use a white sheet to diffuse light. I would recommend having someone hold it a little bit further away from the light because it does get really hot. So there really are no settings to this. You just plug it in. There's no on and off switch to turn it on and off. So once you plug it in, it's on. So it's showtime. I love the fact that it adds a nice warm tone to the photos. And you'll see here, I used this light in 3 different situations. I used it for backlit pictures, and then I switched it up. I did side light and then direct light. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all 3 of those, plus example images of the final shots. So first thing, we tried out some nice backlit images. I love how it made it look very soft, and it gave off a type of golden warm tone to the photo, and I really didn't have to do too much editing to it for it to have those type of tones. And then we went ahead and moved on to side light. I absolutely loved these. They turned out so moody, and it seemed almost too easy to get really nice shots. And then we did a couple with direct light. So I took the work light, placed it in front of the model, and then I just shot straight on, and I think the photos turned out amazing. Again, we got a lot of those warm golden tones that you guys ask me about so often. And again, for these photos, a lot of it came from the actual light source being warm toned. I think overall, if you are starting out in photography, you want to just practice, you want to experiment, this is a great light. Again, exercise extreme caution. Make sure you're checking up on it every now and then. If you do decide to bring this into, you know, your personal space and you're using it for a photo shoot with a model, make sure that it's not getting too hot. Listen, I don't want to hear that any of your houses burned down or something, please. Just periodically go check up on it. So let me know what you guys think of the photos I took, plus the light. Which setup did you guys like more? Backlit, side light, or direct light? So thank you guys as always for watching, and leave your comments and thoughts below. See you guys later. So apparently it says do not look directly at the lighted bulb. Okay, sounds like some Harry Potter stuff that I didn't read the books. So y'all better stock up now before they find out we're using this light for photo shoots and then mark up the price like 500%. We'll all just take out loans.